You survived the hospital stay. But the real shock? It's not the recovery. It's the bill that arrives later. 4 pages, hundreds of cryptic codes, and a total that just doesn't add up. Welcome to the hospital billing scam. A billion-dollar maze designed to profit from your confusion. And in 2025, it's more complex and profitable than ever. Here's the secret. Every hospital has a charge master. It's a secret price list that not even your doctor gets to see. On this list, a single aspirin might cost $18 at one hospital and a staggering $142 at another. The crazy part? Nobody actually pays that price, not even the insurer. It's all a negotiation game. Hospitals inflate prices, knowing insurers will negotiate a big discount. Then, the hospital can claim, "We gave you 40% off," while the insurance company reports, "We saved you money." In reality, it's a staged performance where you lose and they both win. Ever wonder why your insurance pushes you to stay in-network? It's because networks are business deals, not medical maps. Hospitals pay insurers to be included. The more they pay, the higher they appear in your plan's search results. That means your recommended provider might not be the best, just the most profitable for the insurance company. And what happens if your in-network surgeon calls in an out-of-network anesthesiologist you've never even met? Congratulations, you've just been hit with a surprise bill. Despite new federal protections, loopholes are everywhere. A single test sent to a private lab, an imaging scan read by an off-site doctor, or an ER contractor who is DUT covered by your plan, each one can trigger a bill that your insurer can partially deny. The hospital blames a system error. The insurer points the finger back at the hospital. And you're caught in the middle, and your file lands on a collection agency's desk. Behind the scenes, your billing data is gold. Insurance companies buy your anonymized claim histories from hospitals, then sell that information to firms that design premium algorithms. Your confusion is literally funding new ways to charge you more. The system profits twice, once from your bill and again from your data. So, what can you do? First, always request an itemized bill. Hospitals are required to provide one if you ask. Challenge every ambiguous charge you see, things like Level 3 visit, miscellaneous supply, or facility fee. Before you sign anything, ask if every single provider on your care team is in-network. You can also use third-party medical bill auditors. Many work on contingency and only get paid if they find overcharges and save you money. Knowledge is your best insurance. The hospital billing scam isn't about the dedicated doctors or nurses. It's about a system built to profit from complexity. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe for more insights. Because in this game, the most expensive mistake you can make is not knowing the rules.